Good morning and salutations, brothers and sisters. It is 7:26 a.m. Central Standard Time on March 18th, 2022. We're going to do a quick little solar weather update. We've got some obligations in a little while with Rob from Esoteric Nights of Malta. We're going to be getting together and doing a show. We're going to start over here at spaceweather.com, and as we can see, we're looking around March 19th about getting some of that CME that came off, at least according to them. Remember the other day I said that no one's going to know exactly for sure. It's the numbers and dates are still a little iffy. They're still just a little off. I mean, it's looking like we're still going to get one, but it's just when is it going to get here? Because, I mean, things do slow down. Sometimes they speed up if there's another one behind it. So they're saying on the 19th we could arrive, see some solar storms, could get some decent auroras. But if we come over here to Euphoria, which is actually updated, thank goodness, we can actually take a peek and see that they're estimating the arrival of the peak of it at 1800 on the 18th. So that would be today, around 6 p.m. basically. But if we kind of go back, it's actually already starting to rise up to hit us, and we're looking at a peak of around 30, I'd say about 33 centimeters cubed. Isn't that interesting, 33. And then it comes down, and it peaks back up again on the 20th at 1800 again. And then she actually goes down, and then if you notice down here, this is our solar winds. So this is our centimeters cubed of plasma, and this is our solar winds. So this is the arrival of the solar winds from that coronal hole on the southern limb of the sun that I showed you. So it will actually start increasing. But we'll have to keep an eye out. Tinfoil hats on. Then we'll jump over here to our Italian model for our Schumann, and this is our very low frequency activity. Okay, this is the electrical field of our planet, and it looks to be all quiet. However, our actual Schumann is showing some kind of activity here. You can see it up on the geophone here, but they're not wanting to register down here for a better visual. Again, they have dumbed it down, and this has been the past few days. We saw we had a little bit yesterday, a couple of those peaks, but a few days ago it looks like we had some pretty loud activity going on outside of our regular 6 o'clock to 6 o'clock. I wonder what that's all about. As we come over here and we check out Disclosure News, looking at our Russian model, look at all this 22 hours of blackout. What? 22 hours, that's a power number, so we had quite a long time of nothingness. I wonder what happened in here. Then we had really nothing major here. Numbers looks like we peaked around 16 to 20. So they're not really giving us any kind of indication on numbers here. I don't know what the deal is with it, why they're not. Let's come on down here and see where it's currently at. Showing our amplitude is at 9. So these are our current frequency quality and amplitude numbers. That's actually all within normal range. But let's go take a look at our solar system scope, shall we? And as we take a look at our solar system scope, we can actually see, where's the music at? There we go. We can actually take a look, and there are some really interesting things to look at over here, folks. So if we look at our alignment here, who we're in line with, we are in line with Venus and Mars. But look what's on the back side of that. Capricornus, energy of Capricornus. We're literally right smack in the middle. Almost like an eye of a triangle. Isn't that interesting? And look who else is joining us in there. Saturn. That's pretty nutty, ain't it? And if we kind of take us and spin us around, who's on the other side of us and the sun? Oh, we got Jupiter, Neptune over here. So there's some of those energies still residing. Oh, and we are in Pisces. Actually, it looks like we're going between Pisces and Aquarius. But does anybody see this little guy? What is this? Enki? What's Enki doing? What is this? Look at this. Enki Comet. Yes, the one and only. If we actually follow him, we can see that Enki came around the sun between Venus and the sun. Came off from this direction. Look at that. Did anybody know about this thing named Enki? Huh? I'll tell you what, I just learned about it today. I do come over here and take a peek, but sometimes I play with the settings and I just happen to click on comets, and I was like, oh, look at that. It's pretty interesting stuff, folks. And we can see where comets come from. This one came up from underneath us, and he boomed over here, so this is 209p linear. He came out this way and came out from underneath us, and then curved around and went over that way. So it's just something that, you know, to take a look at for yourselves, you know, something to have fun with. It could help to explain some things. So, anyways, folks, stay safe out there. Keep your eyes open. Remember, love is the only way forward. Please make sure to hit that like button, share across other platforms, and subscribe if you're new. If you are new, welcome to the family.